Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be modeling this ring together. Let's start with a part. I'm opening in front plane one sketch and having a rectangle here which will be 6.5, and this line dimension will be inner diameter of my ring circumference, which is 23 millimeter. 23 multiplied by pi will give me circumference of my inner diameter. My thickness is wide 1, and now we are going to create our hexagons. Vertical size will be 5.25, and now we are going to pattern and making them in the same line to make easily equally gaps between each other. I am using some tricks by sketch. I'm creating here one little construction line and finding in the middle of this line also another construction line here, and with this two line, this point and this line, I'm giving a relation midpoint, because when I'm going to make a mirror, this distance, half of this, the same distance like here, will be at the other side, so it should be half of it normally. And selecting 2 by control, I'm adding my equal relation. First I'm cutting unnecessary parts by having a hexagon again, coincident and coincident and coincident, and multiply my sketch with linear pattern, just pulling the area gives fully defined sketch to me, and I'm choosing unnecessary areas. Now cut, and we are going to mirror it to the other side, and I'm going to cut gaps between two hexagon and giving with control coincident, choosing whole sketch, and again 7 times multiplying and giving coincident relationship here. We are going to cut 0.5 millimeter, and now I'm going to cut inner detail easily parallel, and this dimension will be 0.75. and sorry, I forget to make linear sketch pattern 7 times again, and choosing my point, giving my full defined sketch 0.5 millimeter, and with 45 degree I'm cutting my object. The last thing is we should do mirroring our features by picking which belong to each other, which face belong to my which feature. You can do that, and our model is ready. Now we can make flex, choosing my model 360 degree, flex option is high, and completing our feature by OK. Sometimes flex can make problems in different thicknesses. We are depends on that. We are changing models. As you see, SolidWorks makes this problem, it shows nothing. Then I am increasing my thickness here, and sometimes problem is solving. I think between two surface connection from the each side there's happening as some things program not able to solve it, and we are going to increase our cut dimension, and the ring will be ready. As you see, everything is ready. The only thing is what we should do, adding our radius on the corners. By easily picking up everything, you can do that. I'm going to show you in this case, for example, we made 1.5 millimeter thickness. What if we want 1? We can just directly cut it, or we can use with face command move, giving here 0.5 millimeter and flip direction will give us the same result like it's cutting. We just change the dimension of thickness of the surface. Everything about the ring that I should say, it is all, and thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying.